Hello friends, in this video I will be finding out the charging equation of a capacitor. So let's begin. Here is an RC charging circuit and we have to find out the voltage of the capacitor at time t. Let the current in the loop be I. Now by KVL we can write V minus R into I minus 1 upon C integration of 0 to t I dt is equal to 0. On differentiating the above equation, 0 minus R di by dt minus 1 upon C into I is equal to 0. Therefore, di by dt plus 1 upon RC into I is equal to 0. Therefore, di upon dt is equal to minus I upon RC. Therefore, di upon I is equal to minus dt upon RC. Now, by integrating on both sides, we get ln of I is equal to minus t upon RC plus some constant, and that constant we'll write as ln of k. Therefore, ln of I minus ln of k is equal to minus t upon RC. Therefore, ln of I upon k is equal to minus t upon RC. Therefore, I upon k is equal to e raised to minus t upon RC. Therefore, I is equal to k into e raised to minus t upon RC. This is the equation of current through the circuit. At t is equal to 0, the current I will be, from the circuit we can see that the capacitor at t equal to 0 will act as a short circuit. So I is V by R. Therefore, V by R is equal to k into e raised to 0, where e raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, k is equal to V by R. Hence, I of t is equal to V by R e raised to minus t by RC. So if we plot a graph of current versus time, we get an exponentially decreasing curve with peak value as V by R at t is equal to 0, and at t equal to infinite the value will be 0. Therefore, Vc of t is equal to 1 upon C integration of 0 to t I of t dt is equal to 1 upon C integration of 0 to t V by R into e raised to minus t upon RC dt is equal to V upon RC into e raised to minus t upon RC divided by minus 1 upon RC, and the limits from 0 to t is equal to V into 1 minus e raised to minus t by RC. Therefore, Vc of t is equal to V into 1 minus e raised to minus t by RC. So this is the equation of the capacitor voltage at time t. If we plot its graph, we get an exponentially increasing curve with voltage as 0 at time t is equal to 0 and voltage as V at time t is equal to infinite. So this was all about the RC charging circuit. Thank you.